let's get into this taquitos. Okay, so chipotle, sofritas, taquitos. Let's do this. Okay. Hey foodie friends, it's Dina here with Eat Laugh Review, and I have another one for you guys today. I am making baked sweet chipotle sofritas taquitos. That was a mouthful. Yes, so this was requested by Amy Lou. Thank you. She's one of my fellow subscribers, and she actually asked me in one of my last videos, I can make the chipotle version of sofritas. I said, yeah, let's try it. Instead of just making the sofritas, what if I put them in like a tortilla shell and make them like into taquitos? So that's what I'm gonna do today for you guys. If you're new to the channel, welcome. Don't forget to hit that button down below and subscribe to show me some love. And today's shout out goes to Prishka Riss. Thank you for always commenting on my videos and always showing me some love. And I wanted to shout you out to show you some love in return. So guys, I love you all, so let's do this. What you're gonna need here is extra firm tofu. And if you guys watch my previous videos, I've mentioned the extra firm, how you have to squeeze it, get all that water out, all that business. If you guys haven't watched that video, go ahead and check it out. It was my fried chicken video. So once you have that tofu squeezed to oblivion, we are now going to go over there, and we're gonna start cooking our tofu sofritas. And guys, preheat your oven to 400. And let's get started with this. Okay, foodie friends, so now we're gonna add to our pan a ring around of olive oil, and I'm using the avocado olive oil. Now we're just gonna add our garlic here. Just gonna saute that garlic for a minute, and then we're gonna reduce the heat just a little bit because we don't want that garlic to burn or else it's gonna taste bitter. And now let's crumble our tofu, and we're just gonna break it up. This is gonna be our little sofritas. If you don't want to use the tofu, you can also use beef crumbles by Gardein. Break up all those big chunks. Okay, foodie friends, so once your tofu, see how it's looking a little brown there? And we're gonna add our chipotles, 1 or 2, depending on your spice factor. And we're gonna add a little bit of the tomato paste. Just a couple squirts of agave in here, some cumin, some lime juice at the end here. Just squeeze that in here, and don't forget some salt and some pepper. That liquid should disappear and become like a little thick paste. So we're just gonna let that simmer for a little bit until all this liquid here, this liquid business is gone. Okay guys? So that's that. It's about 5 to 7 minutes. Okay, so we're gonna lower the heat to medium now and let that cook off. While that's doing that, we are going to spray our baking sheets to get our little taquitos ready to roll. Okay, foodie friends, so I have our baking pan here that I sprayed with the coconut oil. I have our little flour tortillas here, and they are vegan and gluten-free. So we have our sofritas looking all beautiful here. Look at that. Okay. Oh my gosh, it smells so nice in here, like so delicious with the smoke, like smoky flavor, and whoo, just smells so good. So that's what that looks like. We'll put that aside. So we're gonna take 1 tortilla at a time here, and we're gonna add our little sofritas in here, right in the middle. Okay, so now we're gonna place this to the end here. Okay, and we're gonna wrap these bad boys nice and tight. Nice and tight. There we go. And then once you have them nice and folded like this, we're gonna place them face down on our baking sheet. And we're just gonna continue the process over and over again, and then I'll show you guys how the finale looks before they go in the oven. So BRB. Okay, foodie friends, once they're all nice roly-poly here, with the seam side down, just like so. Don't forget to spray them again with coconut oil just on the top quickly. And now we're gonna throw these guys in the oven, 400 degrees, for 12 to 17 minutes. There they go. Okay, foodie friends, so our baked chipotle sofrita taquitos are all done. Look how cute they look. Don't they look so cute? Look. If you guys watched my slider video, I made this like avocado poblano sauce. So I'm gonna use that to dip our little taquitos here. I still have some left over. From my last video, I made the burrito bowl with this chipotle creamy sauce. So I had some of that left over, and I figured, what if I just drizzle that on the top of the taquitos? That's gonna be yummers. So let's just do that. So look how pretty they look. Look how cute they are. I have our little avocado poblano cilantro sauce here that I made for my other video, and I just drizzled some of that creamy chipotle sauce. Look how cute they look. Look at the crunch factor on these guys. And all we did was just roll them up with their little sofritas, and look how cute they look. So yummers. Okay, foodie friends, so now we eat. Here we go, so let's try this guy. Look how delicious it looks. Ooh, with that chipotle creamy sauce in there. Look, woohoo. All right, and let's dunk in my poblano avocado thingamajig. Oh, this is good. So flavorful, guys. Nice and crunchy, and it was baked in the oven. So much healthier, so much easier too, and also cleanup is a breeze. So fritas though in there. It's so tasty. These are so great, so easy to make, guys. And again, they're great for parties. People come over, 1, 2, 3. You could do these ahead of time. Have them wrapped up already in the fridge, ready to go. So the day of, you just throw them in the oven. Simple. Super crunchy. Amy Lou, I hope you like this recipe. So foodie friends, if you like this recipe, don't forget to give me a thumbs up. Also, if you would like the recipe, email me, tag me on Instagram, your picture of your taquito sofritas. I'd love to see it. Okay, foodie friends, and I'll see you guys on the next one. Bye.